The whole day we've been chilling in the van and getting some work done, some editing and so on and so forth, and not really realizing how close we are to the Smoo caves. So that's the van over there, I believe, and we are here now. We just walked down the road and we didn't realize that we were so close to the Smoo caves. We thought we needed to have walked somewhat of a distance. Yeah, it transpires the Smoo caves are just right here, which is basically down over there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a walk down there and have a look at the Smoo cave. And yeah, it's a must do. It's on the list. Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Smoo caves. the things I have to do to get these super nice shots. But in the video, if I have already played it back, the thing that we were looking at is this in the cave. See the ceiling? And there's birds inside in there. See? And there's the second one we were pointing at too as well. But oh yeah, there's more up there. This nesting. It's superb. Look at this place. Wow. Let's give you a 360 tour of this place. Yes. I did tell you guys that the NC500 and Scotland just keep on giving. Look at this epicness! Oh, by the way, there's hardly anybody in here. So, Jesus. Oh my God. I hope you guys can hear what we're hearing. There's a waterfall. I think this is the waterfall that disappears off of the road, right? Okay, let's go and investigate. And ooh, I feel some droplets. Oh, this is a waterfall. Wow, that's a nice place to have a shower. Oh boy, sheer force. Let's go. Let's go and pick up the other spaces. It's absolutely nuts. And we didn't even know that we were so close to it. Did we, Puna? I mean, we thought we were gonna walk for like, I don't know, 10 minutes perhaps to get to here. Oh, what is this? No fires, please. Oh, almost stepped in a puddle again. I wonder if there's any bats in here. No tour today. We already had the tour ourselves. So there you have it, guys. The Smoo caves in Durness in Scotland. They're amazing. They're epic. They're epic. It's just a stone throw away from our van. You know, we didn't even realize we were busy editing all day today inside, and then we thought, well, let's just go out and stretch our legs. We popped out to stretch our legs, and as we just came around the corner, yeah, this place just showed up. We're like, God damn, we have to definitely check the place out now, because we thought we would probably have to go and check it out tomorrow. Given that there was a lot of traffic this morning. I say a lot of traffic, but I say about 10 or 9 cars that came and parked close to us. But yeah, it's you must come and check it out. Look at it. Epicness at its best. Yeah, so catch you on the next sort of like trip, I guess. Or perhaps we'll take a walk straight down there and have a look at what's there. Yeah, probably do that.